Hello gentlemen, Steve Beeson here with American Iron Works. From time to time we have a request on how to install a nylon choker on a hose without breaking connection, and today we're going to demonstrate how to do that. We've simply unlooped the ends here on our NC236, and we're going to go on the hose. We're going to go around the hose side of it twice. So we'll come around like this, and we're going to feed this in through here to create a double choker on the hose. There, pull it over that nylon. Then we want to make sure that we don't have any wrinkles or the nylon is rolled. So just make sure that your nylon is flat all the way around. Going to pull it up like this and cinch it in. We always want to come at least 2 to 3 times the outside diameter of the hose back from this fitting. So on this 1.25" hose, we're going to come back around 3 to 4 inches. I'm going to go ahead and slide that up just a little bit. You want to place it right in there. Go ahead and cinch that up nice and tight. Pull your rubber snubber in like that. That will secure that. Then simply come over on this side, and on the application that I'm giving this demonstration for, there's a collar right here to where it's a little bit larger in this area. I'm just going to wrap it right here and simulate that there is a collar here. But you want to come on this side here, and you can either wrap it once or twice. We'll pull that down like that. If you want to go around it twice like this, you can. We'll take our safety shackle. And you can also use a screw pin on this as long as it's tightened. Come through there like that. Come through here like that. Put your shackle in. Tighten it up like this. We'll put our cotter pin, and with this style shackle, I would recommend tightening this up with a crescent wrench, just so that there's no chafing or vibration. And again, you can use a screw pin shackle on it. And again, you want to just kind of work this and walk it around to where there's no wrinkles in your system. Like this right here. And then we're going to run the rubber snubber up again. And that's all it takes. We've tested these here. Can I borrow the camera for a second? We have tested these here to the rating of the choker, 6, 7, 8,000 PSI, and it'll pull in nicely. So again, place this side here right behind any type of a lip. Double wrapping's always better. Double wrap it here, put your safety shackle there, run your snubbers up, and that's all it takes. Thank you.